sunny day, all alone. Tom is chilling at his home. Milk in hand, feeling fine. Everything is calm and nice. Wait a second, what is that? Little mouse, hey, come back! Run, 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 here we go. Fast and funny, go, go, go. Jump in this, crash on floor. Oops, Tom flies into the door. Slip, 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 down he slides. Mouse is laughing, runs and hides. Try again, I'll catch you now. Boom, he fails. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Got you now. Yes, I win. Oh, no, no, stuck again. Hee, hee, hee. Mouse is by. Funny day goes rushing by. Oh!